The world is a quiet place until you learn what's hiding inside it.
The 10 most disturbing sounds ever recorded. Not everything terrifying is seen. Some things are only heard. And once you hear them, something inside you changes forever. Number 1. The forest chorus. Deep in Siberia, a microphone captured dozens of voices whispering in unison. There were no people within 40 miles. Number 2. The basement breathing. A family set up audio traps to catch rats. They instead recorded slow, heavy breathing from inside the concrete walls. Number 3. The last dive. A diver's camera picked up a low moan moments before they vanished. Experts say it wasn't human or animal. Number 4. The 911 silence. Emergency operators report calls where the caller whispers, "I'm here," and the line goes dead. Only problem? Those calls came from disconnected numbers. Number 5. The nursery hum. Baby monitors sometimes record humming. Soft, female. When checked, no one is in the room. Number 6. The cemetery tap. Investigators recorded tapping sounds coming from below a sealed grave. Rhythmic, steady, and slowing down. Number 7. The desert screams. Hikers hear screaming across empty deserts. The sound travels miles, but stops instantly when approached. Number 8. The door that talks. A couple recorded wood settling in their old home, but slowing the audio reveals a voice quietly saying, "Let me out." Number 9. The forgotten boiler room. A school closed off a room after staff heard metal scraping inside. The pipes were removed decades ago. Number 10. The recording you don't want to hear. A file exists that experts refuse to release. It was captured deep underground. The only description? Something alive, but not from here.